So the next thing that we're going to start about, just a second, let me zoom in. So you can say like we're going to calculate the mean for, you can say, an ungrouped.
You find the midpoint times frequency, then divided by the total frequency.
Okay, so we're going to find out mean for ungrouped frequency distribution. If I just prepare a table for you and then like let's discuss how we do this. Okay, so first of all, like what will be the formula? Do you know about the formula?
Yeah.
What's it?
Midpoint times frequency over total frequency.
Okay, midpoint and okay, let me show
Like
the
you
table
add
then.
all of them up.
Okay, let's see, like might be possible that you know something different. Okay, then in this table, like let's say there is this data is given to you for the 12 people, okay? Getting it? And
Yeah.
their weight is given for the 12 people, the weight is given. So you can say the weight in kgs is given to us, and then the number of person we have. So if I just tell you the weight, the first weight that we have, let's say of 67 kg we get, and how many people we have for the same weight, 4 peoples. Then for the 70 kg of weight, how many people we have, 3. Then for the 72 kg
Oh
of weight,
wait, I
we
thought you
have,
were talking about grouped frequency.
no, it
Yeah.
is ungrouped. I put it up there, no? It is for ungrouped one. Okay, it is 2. And then for 73, what it will be? Again a 2. And let's say for 75, there is only 1. So how are you gonna find out the frequency of this type of distribution? What are you gonna do?
67 times 4.
Okay, but why? Basically, what we are doing, like,
Total weight.
okay, total weight of which category of these 4 peoples you can say who get a weight of 67 kg each. Yeah, yes or no? So this one we represent it by Fi. Okay, frequency. This one we represent by Xi, you can say. Get it? And now what we are finding in this part, so we will be finding Fi times Xi. Get it? Yes or no? So basically, like you
Yeah.
can say, like the total weight we are trying to find out. So 67 times 4, you got what? You will get a 268.
Uh, 268.
Yeah. Then 70 times 3, you will get what?
210
So you will get a
144
210 and then a 144.
216 and 75.
Perfect. So 146 and then the 75. And at the end, what are you going to do? So what will be the mean
Add
formula for
them
this
up.
type of scenario? So mean formula will be like we represent it by this symbol. What's the symbol for, like for what we use the symbol?
Sum.
Yeah, sum. Sigma we call it, and this is used for the summation. And then down there also sigma Fi. So what we can say sigma Fi Xi stands for the summation of this box that we got, okay, or this table, and then sigma Fi for this row. Got it? So what answer you are having? Sigma Fi Xi. If you will add up all the values, what answer you will get? Just
So
quickly add them up.
400.
6 plus 4, 10, 10
Like,
plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5 is what? 23.
6.
You got a 3. Then 2 is a carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. And 22 plus 2 we got already. So 2 plus 2 is a 4. So 2 is again a carry and we got a 4. Then 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 1 7, 7 1 8. So we got a 843. Okay. 843 divided by what? What's the summation of frequency? How many people you have?
Um,
There are total 12 people.
12.
The data was about 12 people. So we can divide them and then like directly we will get what? Directly we will get our mean for the data. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what will be the mean for this data?
70.25.
How much?
70.25.
Perfect. 70.25 will be the mean weight, you can say. So mean, it will be in what unit you will put for the mean?
kg.
Yeah, kg will be the correct way. Okay, get it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so no confusion out there.
No.
Okay, if I change the question a bit, like if they will change it, so let's make a new table. Okay, and for this table, the information that is given to you, they have already provided us the mean. So they are saying mean of the data is around how much? Let's say 18.75 kg. Let's not put the unit. And then they are asking find the value of x. First of all, we need the table, so let's make it first.
Oh, yeah. I think I've seen it.
That's a good thing then. So first of all, we have the values. Let's say the xi value is given to us, then fi value is given to us. Okay, so we can say the xi that we have for the first part we got a 10. Then for the next part it is 15. Then for the next part it is given as x. Then for the next part it is given as 25. Then for the next part it is given as 30. Now the
Can I
frequencies for
write
them.
this another way?
Sorry,
Can I write this vertically?
answer will be same. Like it will not change the scenario for that now.
But I'm not used to.
But you have to be. They can give you it any like any way. And if you will waste your time in making it vertical scenario and then like counting it, so it will take too much time for you, no? Like you are just wasting time, you can say in that case. Yes or no?
Yeah.
We have to save time. We are not like there to waste time in exams. What we will be doing in this case? So you will be saying like you will be finding
Um,
FIXI. Yes or no?
yeah.
Because the mean formula for us is what? The mean formula we just wrote it sigma FIXI, summation of FIXI, and divided by sigma FI. So do we have the sigma Fi? So you will say yes, we can find out sigma Fi. What it will be? 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 10, 27, 27 plus 5 is what? What it will be? 32? Yes or no?
32.
Then we can calculate FIXI as well. FIXI come out to be what? 50, then 150, then 7x, and then this one will be what? 25 times 8,
200.
200, and then this one will be 60. So what will be their summation that you will get? Sigma FIXI.
460 plus 7x.
Yeah, 460 plus 7x is perfect. And the mean is given to us, so we can put it as 18.75. And in the next step, what we can do? In the next step, you can
Um,
substitute the values. So
you
460
can times
plus
32 by 18.75.
perfect. And what answer you will have if you times them? 460 plus 7x is equals to 32 times 18.75.
600.
You will get what?
600.
600 is correct. Okay. And then the 460 will come in subtraction to
7x
this side.
equals 140. So x
7x will
equals
be
20.
140, and then later on x will come out to be just a 20. Yeah, 7 will come in division to that side.
Yeah.
So we got the value for x. Yes or no? So we can easily do this
Yeah.
type of questions.
Yeah.
No confusions?
No.
No. Okay.
Am I allowed to use calculator?
Okay, you will be like if you want to save time, then you will be. But these numbers that we have written over there in the table or that they have provided in the table, so they are easier one. Yes or no? If they will be bigger
Yeah.
numbers, then you are allowed to do it. But try avoiding it. Okay. But if it is allowed for you,
You
then
know,
you can
for
use it.
the 18.75 times 32.
So you can do it this way, like 32 times what 1875 over what over
Yeah, I do it
100,
that way.
and
But
we can cancel out the things, and then if you don't want to cancel it out, just multiply this and then put the dot after two steps. That's it.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
what I usually.
that is like a time saving thing. Okay, or if you want to avoid calculator. Okay, the next type that we have for a question, if they will give you the two missing values, still we will be able to calculate it or not? Can we calculate
Yeah.
it Yeah. Okay, let's
Yeah.
do that question as well. So if I write down the question for you, the next type of question that we got, it is about, like, again, they are saying the mean is given to us. Okay, so mean of the table, mean of distribution, you can say, is how much? Let's say 1.46, and now we have two variables in the table. If I prepare the table for you, okay, let's write down the data. So it is just based on the accidents that are happening, so number of accidents. Then the second one is number of drivers that we have who got that accident. So then the data will start. So if I just write down quickly, so you can say number of accidents are 0. So how many drivers are there that are doing 0 accidents? So we have 46 drivers. Then the one accident, we don't know about it. Okay, how many drivers have done one accident? Then if I talk about two accidents, I'm not aware about this one as well. Then for the three accidents, I got 25 drivers. Then for the four accidents, we have total 10 drivers. And then for the five, we got the five drivers. Okay, get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 0,
So how we can do that
x,
calculation?
2y, 75, 40, and 25. So the
So you can say
total
this is
Fi,
xi and this is fi. Yes or no?
yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
the total frequency is
how much?
86 plus x plus y.
Perfect. And do we have fixi? So let's calculate fixi. It is 0,
It
it is x, it is 2y. Yes or no? And then this one will
yeah.
be 75, this one will be 40, this one will be 25. What we get?
Um
25 and 75 will make it how much? 100? 140
140
we got. 140
plus
plus x plus 2y. Yes or no? And now we're going to apply
yeah.
our formula. So the mean will be equal to what? They have already given us 1.46, but according to us it will be how much? You can say it will be 140 plus x plus 2y divided by what? Divided by 86 plus x plus y. That is the summation fixi divided by summation of frequencies. Okay, what will be our next step that we will be doing in it?
1.46 times 86 times x plus y.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There is one more information that they have provided. They have also provided you the total number of drivers. Okay. So the total drivers that we have are 200. Okay. Because there are two variables now, so the two data will be provided to you. Otherwise, you will not be able to simplify this. Okay. Whenever there will be a equation, this is a linear equation or something else. What you will say?
Linear.
Yeah, linear. So whenever there will be a linear equation in two variable, so the two informations need to be provided. Okay, other means like you will get a two equation setup, otherwise you will not be able to solve it. So according to this information, what equation I can create? I can create 86 plus x plus y is equals to what? 200. Yes or no? And
Yeah.
then I can also solve it further. What I will have? You can say you will get x plus y as what? 200 minus 86 will be what? What you will get?
114.
You will get 114. Yeah. So this is the equation number one, you can say that you will get, and then now we will be getting equation number two from over here. Just simplify it. What we will be getting?
125.56 plus 1.46x plus 1.46y, and then
Yeah.
14.44 plus x plus 2y equals 1.46x plus 1.46y, and then
We can also like make it a bit easier. Like instead of directly multiplying it, now we can use the equation number one that we created in this. How? Look at there. Like I
oh,
know, I
86
like
plus 114.
this part can be rewritten as what? 140 plus x plus y plus y. Yes or no? Over what? Over 86 plus x plus y we already have is
Can't we
equals
also
to.
use 200? Wait, no, we
We
can't.
are no, we
Wait,
can't use 200 directly. We can only use x plus y, no? So x plus y I will be replacing now by what? 114. Okay, get it? Yes or no?
yeah,
So in both numerator and denominator, I will replace x plus y with what? 114. So what value I will get? So you will get 140 plus 114 plus y, and down there it is 86 plus 114
254
equal to
plus 5.
1.46. So numerator become what? 254 plus y,
Yeah,
and down there it become what? I
so
think 200.
254 plus 5
It is
equals
200.
1 4. Yeah,
Yeah. Next step 200 will be multiplied by that.
and
So you will remove the decimal from there and you will get a 292, I think. 146 times 2 will
I
be 292. So 254 plus y is equals to 292. Yes or no?
37,
And then the next step, if we solve, the y value will come out to be what? 37 or 38? Like,
38.
yeah, 38. So it will come out to be 38. So we got our result for y. It is 38. Now we can replace it in what? X plus y is equals to 114 we have. So if you replace the y with 38, so you can say x plus 38 is equals to 114 and x will be equal to what? 114 minus 38. And what answer you will get from there? Yeah,
Um,
I think 14 minus 8 is what? 6? 76. Yeah. So we got our missing numbers, the missing number of drivers you have. So you can say you will replace the first question mark with 76. So the one accident is done by
wait,
76
how did
drivers.
you recognize the last part?
Okay, look at there. I got a equation x plus y is equals to 114. Yes or no? We already have this
Yeah,
equation. Now we got the value for y as 38. So can I replace y as 38 in this so that I can get a x as well? Yes or no? So this method is known as like just a substitution. So we are just substituting value of y that we get from solving equation. Yeah.
yeah,
So we got a x as 76. So whenever you get one value and you have a lead like two equations set up for you, so just substitute that value of y that you get now or value of that variable in any one of the equation so that you can find out the other variable's value as well. Okay, get it? So
yeah,
we got the x as 76. So we got the number of drivers who have done one accident as 76, and the other driver who have done two accident is what? How many? 38. Get it? So 38 drivers are there. Any confusion for the question?
no,
No? So I think that's enough for today. Yeah, we'll share a sheet on the same. So just finish it up. Okay?
yeah,
Yeah. Okay then. Bye.
bye.